Hello YouTube, I just wanted to do a little short video about something I bought off eBay. These little Joby tripods. It's only about 6 inches long, something like that, but my god, for what I paid for it, £9. It's absolutely awesome, especially when you're doing close-up work. You can manipulate these tripod legs in any way you want. They even wrap around your handlebars to attach your GoPro to. I just think they're absolutely brilliant. I'm now going to buy one of the bigger ones. But as you can see, you can manipulate the legs, tilt, and the other little thing I bought as well was this thing. So that was only £9, and this thing to hold my phone was only £1.80 off eBay, and they're just absolutely brilliant, just for doing little close-up work. Something as simple as that, and you can even use it as what I've done is I've used it when I've been flying my drone, and my second phone I've used it to do time lapses and hyperlapse, and I've just set it up, positioned it, set it off, and then gone about flying my drone and just left it doing hyperlapse and time lapses, and it's just for the sake of what, 9, 10, 11, about £11. Absolutely brilliant. And like I say, I've even used it on my bike, and I've wrapped these legs around my handlebars, and it holds quite secure because these are quite stiff. Absolutely brilliant little thing for such, for peanuts. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, I just wanted to say that. So, my advice is if you want to do close-up work, rather than buying really expensive camera equipment, you can do it for very, very little amount of money. As you can see here, £11, and you can record close up on your phone. You can do your time lapses while you're doing other things. It's just just awesome. Well, I think it is anyway. So, but I'd like to see what you think. Write in the comments. Thank you very much. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.